Hatu PCN ya ka jingduna jong ka AMH chapo ka blood report jong pi. AMH kade ka anti-mullerian hormone ka bapenmi ekisambai jong pi. Kade ka jingpen ya ka jingdon jong kisambai ha ka tu ka por. Kam ya thu sendan ne kilat jong ka pregnancy. Wat lada ka AMH jong pi kade point 2. Wat la ka taru pidang dan ya ka lat ban yok hun.
Habai kerana bikinong pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingelang jangka kunhun menteri. Menteri Keterangan Social Welfare ub apol lengdo ulaong ba ikong Iamon Syiem menta pamtang ben long ke Chairperson jangka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Henry in bat lang ru kum ke Chairperson jangka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Uli tu bagadau jangka jing slam men permenai ke kerteng jangka Chairperson kadai namar ke jing terekam jangka Model Code of Conduct ke jing penlong ke election MP Syakulok Sabha. Ulang beladat benetai sani bah kejing ngelang ke kunhun menteri badadian kania la ai kejing menjur bentung ya ikong Iamon kom ke Chairperson bertemai jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Ulang bahalor kani kejuk kamat la shimru ekarai ban penjelan ekarta kejing tung ya ke Chairperson na kandrup san senem syakah nyopo senem kerta. Badi kania la lek de kejing selok bad ketenat an. Apakali la kani kejing penbat art ligi kam hakawai ke beriau kan omlong ke bakiatan nak liang ba polong do ulang bagan nerap kala hakaban kentio ke jingla ban pene soalang ya ke jing trailang jogini ke art ligi commission bagi don kam ya kene kerukom long nong yalam namar amsyamleran satya ke senam ke balet ban mentagasngi kila don da ke beriau ke badai ke bala syampang bat kimat jogi kentai bagi kena komta da ke bapene trailang ya kini ke art ligi commission apa yang ke child rights bat ke women's commission kanerap penban ya ke jinglong jingman bat kanerap ru ban yo ke jing trailang ke bapura.
Appointment of the chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. There was some criticism in a section of the media concerning the delay in appointing the chairperson of this very important statutory body. But it is important for me to point out here that number one reason for the non-clearance of the non-announcement rather of the name of the chairperson is because of the application of the Model Code of Conduct in view of the parliamentary elections. Two is that after due deliberation, it was evident that the clearance of the name of the chairperson needs to be at the level of the cabinet. And today the cabinet is meeting for the first time after the parliamentary elections. We therefore will not, or rather we didn't have the need to rush to any decision because we have to complete all the required formalities. And one of those formalities is to obtain the clearance of the cabinet. So I'm happy to inform you that we have cleared the name of the incumbent, and in this case, from Iamon Syiem is being appointed with the approval of the cabinet as the new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women Commission. No, in fact, it will help to enhance our ability to merge the functioning of the two very important bodies, because we require that leadership. It was lacking, frankly, in the past. And today we have somebody who is a professional and has had vast experience in the issue of women and child protection. And combining the two offices of child right with women's commission would rather elevate the status and also help us to address issues in a more holistic manner.